guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing one of my favorite videos to film. This is actually part 3, so I'll link part 1 and 2 down below. I am testing viral Amazon finds from TikTok. I love those TikToks, but I always wonder, is this worth it? I am extremely influenced by TikTok, so today I'm going to be reviewing a ton of super popular, super cool products, and I can't wait to get into it. Everything will be linked down below with products and everything, and then you can also watch my TikTok compilations if you're looking for more Amazon finds, and check out my Amazon shop where I add a ton of things every single day. Yeah, I think that's everything I have to say. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you love Amazon, and let's go ahead and jump into it. Some of these are fails and some of these are favorites, so let me just start with the one I was most excited about. I must have gotten at least 12 TikToks of unboxings and just like aesthetic shots of this keyboard. It is a Bluetooth keyboard that comes like this. Comes in different colors and shades, but of course I had to get the pink rainbow. It is around $40 to $50 depending on which one you get, and this one that I got is really cool. It like stands up. It comes with a wireless mouse, and then how you connect it to your computer is through this tiny little USB that comes inside the mouse, which is so crazy. However, this is not a favorite for me personally. I've gotten really used to this sleek design and kind of like shape of my MacBook keyboard, and this one's just like a little bulky. It's really fun, don't get me wrong. I give it like an 8 out of 10 personally, but if you're into this type of keyboard, you love the aesthetic of it, it's totally worth it. But personal preference, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Get ready to see this a ton on my channel. This is probably one of my all-time favorite Amazon finds, and it's so ridiculous because it really shows my age. So I've been having to take prenatal vitamins every single day because I'm pregnant, and I've been having a really hard time remembering on some days if I've taken them or not. I saw a TikTok of a blogger doing like an Amazon unboxing, and she showed these. Immediately added to cart, like immediately. They're only $6 for the 2-pack. They're so like cute and aesthetically pleasing, not bulky at all. And I mean, the colors are just beautiful. So you get the 2-pack. You can either get all beige, all pink, or both, and I just have my prenatals in one and my gummies in the other one, and I just refill them every Sunday, and they're so cute. This is totally a favorite, 10 out of 10. I was so excited for this one. So there's been this like super trendy exercise dress from Outdoor Voices trending on TikTok for, I don't know, almost a year now, and it's so cute, but it's literally like $100, and it's always sold out, and I just never really like thought about getting it, to be honest. It's just too pricey. Then this girl made a TikTok that she found a dupe on Amazon, and of course I had to order it. Sadly, y'all, this looks terrible on me. Like I said, I'm 16 weeks pregnant, so you know, but besides that, even if I wasn't, I think this wouldn't really work for me because I'm so short. It comes with like built-in shorts, and it's like double lined, so it's pretty good in that sense. It like doesn't show anything. I'll show you what it looks like on. It's just not my favorite. It was almost $40. It comes in different colors. It's almost like a swimsuit material, if you will. This one I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. If you're taller than me, if you're not pregnant, maybe you would love it, but for me, this is a return. I just got this one in the mail. I saw it on a TikTok like 2 days ago, and I knew I had to put it in this video. So this is like one of those super popular out of nowhere, what is it called? Hydro something patch. Oh, Hydrocolloid Patch. And these started trending. They're supposed to be band-aids, but people started putting them on their acne. Then this company, Mighty Patch, sells them on Amazon. This is pricey. This is $17 for 10 strips. But the TikTok was so insane. I had to try it because if there's something on my face that I hate, is my blackheads on my nose. And I've tried everything, every blemish thing, every like pore strip. This one I'm so excited about. So tonight I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to show you right now. Okay. Here's a before shot of my nose, my blackheads. Ew. I'm about to put it on. It is about 10 o'clock. Let's see what this looks like tomorrow. Okay, it is the next morning. I don't think it worked because from everyone I've seen, they get white. But I'm still gonna get it off because I have to see people today. So maybe next time I would do the two, one on this side, one on this side, but let's see. Okay. Oh, ew. Oh my god, gross. Look at that. Okay, so it definitely worked. Wow, that's gross. I'm gonna wash my face and see. But I'm gonna give this one like a 9 out of 10. I feel like especially if you have acne or really like problematic areas in your face, it's so worth giving it a try. Okay, for the next product, I have to show you the TikTok. I think I put it in a compilation recently. If not, it's coming in one soon. But I was so excited for this. Y'all know I have 2 dogs that are super fluffy. I shed a lot and my entire upstairs is carpet. So I was super excited to try this one out, especially after seeing how much hair she got out of her carpet. She actually says she had just vacuumed or something, and then I tried it. It is this like funky looking like broom thing, but this is actually silicone. So I was expecting so much hair to get out of my carpet and nothing happened, y'all. Nothing, like not even like a tiny bit of hair. I vacuum pretty frequently, so I vacuum with my Shark vacuum once a week all over the upstairs area in my house, and then I also do run our like Amazon Roomba every single day. So maybe I vacuum too much and I don't really need this, but it just didn't work for me. It was only $9 though, so it's worth giving it a try. Thank you Bolt for barking again. I will give this one like a 5 out of 10. It just didn't work for me. Of course, my For You page has completely changed since being pregnant and liking too many like baby prep videos. So I've gotten like a ton of things you need for your baby off Amazon on my For You page. One of the things I fell in love with and had to get immediately was this thing. So this is one of those like playpen like foam things. It comes with 8 different pieces and it's around $50. It also comes in different patterns, but as you can see, we're actually in the baby's nursery right now. I've been loving these like earthy neutral tones, so when I saw that they had this with the rainbow, I had to get it. I'm so excited. It's so pretty and neutral. It's not even doing it justice for the color. It's like a really pretty like rusty brown. I love it. So if you're looking for something like this, Amazon has great options, and I give this one a 10 out of 10. I love it. I've been waiting for this one. Turn it up. Like literally, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. I even put it in an Amazon bestsellers because I think I put this in a compilation, like a TikTok compilation back in the fall of last year. Y'all, this has been a bestseller ever since. So this is an organic fractionated coconut oil, and this all stems from a hairdresser's TikTok where she explains that the coconut oil that you get at the grocery store in those like glass jars does not penetrate your hair, does not help with your skincare, so she recommended this one. I kid you not, thousands of you have bought this, and I just had to try it out for myself. This bottle is pretty big. This is my hand. It's only $14. It comes with a pump and then this. I've been using it for almost a month now to give you guys a good review. So for taking off my hair, for taking off my makeup, I prefer micellar water, so I don't really go for oil-based things. It was really nice. It definitely didn't clog my pores or anything like that, but I will stick to my micellar water. However, to add to your lotion for your body or even to add to a conditioner or hair mask, this is amazing. It does not leave your hair feeling oily and weighted down. Even like to add a little bit after you do your hair, like for styling purposes, it's just really good. So I think this one is a 10 out of 10, totally worth it. This will last you so long, and honestly I've been thinking of using it on my belly to like avoid stretch marks, and my skin has been super dry, so there's tons of uses for this, and I think for $14 it's a good price. So guys, that's everything I tried this time around from TikTok. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to try, because I am on TikTok 24/7. I'm always saving things and making TikTok compilations, so if there's anything you want me to try, please let me know in the comments and I'll make a part 4 of this video. And if you're new here or you haven't checked out any of my Amazon videos, there's a ton for you to catch up on, so definitely check those out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being here. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.